we are seeing with the increase of the volume or the volume spike, we understand that volume spike will always have two forces in it. In this case, the first one will be demand, just because this is an up bar, so demand here is increasing, and supply is present there too, and it's increasing as well. Demand is still dominant over supply because, first of all, it's an up bar. Secondly, there is some extension right here. But we're already observing the increase of the supply. And then as supply is increasing, we are wondering about either the diminishing upward result. Is this happening? Number one. And this could be determined by the limited extension of the actual significant bar, or it could be seen in the supply tail once we see the next bar or the next series of bars. We could understand whether there is a follow-through. And the concept of the follow-through is an extremely important one.